Okay, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I learned to make chords and melodies in FL Studio. So I didn't even know the difference between major and minor, but someone really told me, oh, I'm about to show you the trick that there are two types of method that I kind of learned with. So the first one involved this thing called sampler. If it's not showing on your channel, you just hit the plus button, then it's right here. There it goes. Then you go into the piano roll. So basically major keys are the keys which sound happy and minor are the keys which sound sad, and those are the two major chords in the music theory. I do not necessarily know music theory, but you don't need music theory to understand, to be able to know what a chord is and what the notes are. Okay, so basically what you do is you come with this arrow, then you go to stamp, then after stamp you go and choose this melodic scale. Then the first note that you press on your keyboard is the key of the chord that you are going to build. Okay, so if I click here at F, this is the scale of F. This is the scale that I'm going to be using to create my chords. So I'll just need to duplicate it, shift, then option click, then drag it. Okay, now what you want to do now is to load a plugin, FL keys, whatever you like to use at this moment. So I'm going to use FL keys because you are dealing with the default sounds, the stocking plugins, because I want you to be able to follow. Okay, I'm just putting the preset dark. So like I said, the first key is going to be F. So you see, every gray area is a safe area where you can place your key to create the chord, but one thing, you have to skip this one gray area and go above, then skip one again, then come and select any way you want. Repeat the process. I'm choosing at random right now. I'm gonna come here. Okay, so I'm just going to hit Alt X to make my key kind of soft, because I know they're going to be harsh. Now I'm just going to listen and if anything's off key. So yeah, as you can hear, this is soft, this is sad, this is in the minor key of F. So if you want to build another key, the first key that you place is going to be the key of that chord or that melody. Now you can even add other notes. I'm just clicking at random right now, but as you can tell, they are not off key, any key that I'm pressing. I can only make a set tab bit from this. I'm just going to get some sound which is going to help me to build this beat, just to show you that it works. I'm not really taking my time selecting sounds. Okay, I'm thinking, should I go for a snare? Let's say maybe I into that emotional sad piano type beats. Okay, so basically you can tell what I'm trying to talk about. So we want to go to the major chord now. Sorry for those long pauses, something was happening, I'm really sorry. So we get rid of all this, so let's just go to another pattern. This might take some time. So using the stamp ID again, come here, stamp, major, between these two and even this one, between these two you can choose what you want. So I'm going to take this one. The first chord is the key that you want to play your melody in. If you are going for F, strike F. If you are going for G, strike G. If you are going for A, strike A. Okay, so difference between major and minor, it's when you're in major you skip one, then you play skip one, then okay, let me explain it in the piano. Now it can be dark because it's going to be happy, but anyways I'll show you what I mean. So we started on G, right? Still following the same rule, we skip one gray area always. No matter what, you always gotta skip one gray area, man. You can miss. Let's hear. It's a sunny day. Okay, so this is how you create your chords, different chords. Then you can take it away from there, doing half steps or even stammers. Then you're being creative as your producer, doing things that you think they will work. Oh, also there's this idea that I saw that you might like, but usually the hip hop beats that I make, they are in minor because they are okay. You hit out A, it gives you this random pattern. So you change the settings, seeing what you like. You can even increase the speed. Okay, I might increase the speed and just see how it sounds like. But basically, yeah, that's what I wanted to show you for the day. So I hope you learned something from this. I'm going to be showing you the second method that I use to create chords for beginners, which is easy to understand, easy to. So stay connected.